What's up, guys? I am back with another YouTube video. If you guys are interested in seeing how I thread my brother's sewing machine, make sure that you stay tuned. Now first you want to just begin by plopping your thread on the top of your machine, and after it's plopped, you're going to go ahead and thread it through this silver piece. Now as you can see on the video, I'm simply just throwing it behind the silver piece and pulling it right on through. Now after you're done with that, you want to take it down this little alleyway and you want to pull it right on up the other side. Now when pulling it up on the other side, you want to make sure that you have your lever pulled all the way up, and you just want to wrap your thread around that little silver piece. Now this is the part where you're just going to go ahead and thread your needle. Now some machines come with a self-threader and some of them don't. Luckily this specific machine comes with a self-threader. So basically I pull this lever down and it sticks out a little hook in between the hole, and I just stick the thread on it and it pulls it right through. If your machine doesn't come with this, basically all you have to do is try to snip the end of your thread and stick it through the little hole. I mean, it's not the end of the world, it's not completely horrible, but the self-threader does make it a bit easier. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to wind your bobbin. So you want to use this little circle piece and you want to wrap your thread around it. After you wrap your thread around it, as you can see in the video, you're going to go ahead and begin to wrap it around your bobbin. Now when wrapping it around your bobbin, you want to make sure that it's secure and make sure that it won't slip off. And you're going to put it right there on this little latch, as you can see in the video. Now, when you're putting it on the latch, after it's on the latch, you're going to go ahead and push the latch back and begin to push your foot pedal.